Dear students, today we try to understand staircase wiring. So this is staircase wiring circuit diagram where you observe that there are the two switches, switch 1, switch 2, which is connected to the light bulb, and electric panel is there. From electrical panel we took the supply. This red color indicate the live wire, means phase wire, and the sky blue color indicate that neutral wire. Now, what mean by staircase wiring? So generally the staircase wiring are used where we are required to control the light from two different locations, and it is possible with the help of staircase wiring. So now see here, this is your light bulb and which is connected to the switch 1 and switch 2. Now let's suppose switch 1 is at location A and switch 2 at location B. So from switch 1 means from location A we can control this light bulb, and when you are going to reach this switch at location B, from that locations also you can make it on and off. So that is possible with the help of the staircase wiring. Now if you see, where is the application of this staircase wiring? As already I told, it is used in the staircase, hallways and large rooms. This is the incandescent lamp where you find there is a tungsten filament. So generally this tungsten filament that heats up and glows when the electricity passes through it, and generally it produces a very warm and yellowish light. Basically it is very less efficient and with having a very short lifespan. So thank you very much.